Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and sparkling world, starting your very own online jewelry business. Whether you're a designer, a jewelry enthusiast, or just someone with a passion for bling, this video will guide you through everything you need to know to get your online jewelry store shining bright. Step 1. Market research. Know your niche. First things first, research. You need to understand the market trends and find your niche. Will you be focusing on handmade pieces, luxury jewelry, or affordable fashion jewelry? Get a clear picture of who your target audience is and the types of jewelry they're looking for. This is also the time to look at your competition, see what works for them, and where you can do better. Step 2. Set up your online store. Now, let's get to the fun part, setting up your online store. You can use platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or even WooCommerce if you prefer a more customizable approach. But, whichever platform you choose, make sure it's user-friendly and mobile responsive. You want your customers to have an easy, enjoyable shopping experience. Step 3. Create stunning product listings. Once your website is set up, it's time to fill it with beautiful jewelry. Take high-quality photos that really show off the details of your pieces, and write clear, engaging product descriptions. Don't forget to include sizing charts, materials, and care instructions. You want your customers to feel confident in their purchase. Step 4. Set up payment methods and shipping. Now, let's talk logistics. You'll need to set up payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or others, and make sure you offer secure transactions. For shipping, consider offering free shipping or easy options like flat rate shipping. And always provide clear shipping timelines, because let's face it, everyone loves a good surprise delivery. Step 5. Build a brand and market. Building a brand is more than just a logo. Your jewelry business should have a distinct personality that speaks to your audience. Create a story behind your brand that resonates with them. Now, let's talk about marketing. Without it, your business can't shine. Use social media to promote your jewelry. Instagram is perfect for visual products like jewelry, so make use of reels, posts, and even live selling. Pinterest, Facebook, and TikTok are great for connecting with your audience and building excitement around new launches. Don't forget about influencers and collaborations to help spread the word. Common mistakes to avoid when starting your jewelry business. We all make mistakes, but when it comes to your business, let's avoid these common ones. Not having a clear brand identity. Without a brand story, it's hard to build loyalty. Ignoring SEO. You want your store to be found online. Use the right keywords in your product descriptions. Underpricing or overpricing. Find a balance that covers your costs and appeals to your target market. Not having good customer service. Be responsive, friendly, and always aim for happy customers. How to market your online jewelry business? Marketing doesn't stop at social media. You can also use email marketing to keep your audience engaged and promote new collections. Search engine optimization, SEO, is key for driving organic traffic to your site. Use keywords like custom jewelry, handmade rings, or whatever fits your niche. And of course, don't underestimate the power of customer reviews and referrals. Happy customers are your best marketers. So, there you have it. From researching your niche to marketing your sparkling pieces, starting an online jewelry e-commerce business requires planning, creativity, and dedication. With the right strategy, you can turn your passion for jewelry into a thriving online business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on turning your business dreams into reality. Until next time, keep shining and stay inspired.